Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I love summertime because we get to do dishes like this that are refreshing and delicious and colorful. My new friend Alexa is here to show us how she made what?
It's a prosciutto bruschetta.
Okay, walk us through this process because it's pretty cool.
So I did roast a red bell pepper on the grill prior to, chopped up some Roma tomatoes and some fresh basil, topped it with a little bit of olive oil, balsamic glaze, and a little bit of parmesan, and then a little bit of shredded prosciutto in there on some French baguette toasted, and it's the best cookout recipe.
Yes, and you say a little bit of everything, but everything you mentioned is delicious. So a lot of delicious stuff, right?
Yeah.
Super duper simple. Why did you pick this dish?
It's super refreshing, especially in the summertime. If you're going to a grill or a cookout or a pool party even, it's a really good snack. It's super easy to make, nice and cheap ingredients. And it's something that my dad taught me, and he's the cook of the family.
Oh, Dad is the cook.
Yeah.
How fun is that? Okay.
So I had to bring a little bit of flair in him here.
Well, flair you did. Okay, so you do something very important in our community. Talk about your nonprofit.
So my nonprofit, Accidental Angels, started when my cousin Bo passed away back in 2022. He was only 18 years old, and he passed away from a accidental fentanyl overdose.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. So in his honor, I started my nonprofit, Accidental Angels. And so we're still kind of in the up and coming growing process, but we're gonna be able to help families with sudden funeral expenses. We have a group of therapists in the area who are working as grief therapists, so they can help in that mourning process. And we can just kind of work as a community in our nonprofit to really keep our loved ones' stories alive.
Yeah, I love that, and I love how you are all about community. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get more information on Alexa. Of course, get this amazing recipe. It's really good.
Thank you.
You should try.
I'll have one.
But get more information on her organization as well. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.